Hey guys, it's me, Axel from Axel 2, and here's my big brother Connor. And today we're at Saskatoon Central watching the Motorsports. Yeah!
Tour all through Western Canada, but of course, we waited to come here on our final show of our tour of Western Canada, and of course, like our hometown crowd. So are you guys ready to have a little fun here tonight? Oh, let me try that like a monster truck guy and see if you are ready. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the stars of Ram Motorsports Spectacular want to know, are you ready? That's what I'm talking about. It sounds
awesome.
to me like you're ready to meet the monster trucks.
Oh, here we go! Here we go! Here they come! Oh! Well, anyways, guys, that's it for this video. I'll do another video when they start doing the freestyle. See ya! Actually, I'm gonna...
Jason Court and Roughneck.
Oh, who drives that one? Who drives that one?
From Crude, the home of the area 51. This is Dallas Rogers and Spitfire.
Spitfire. Whoa! Oh, there's fire! Wait, we gotta know the names first. Oh, Gravedigger, Identity Thief.
From Kelowna, BC, the 5-time former Monster Truck Champion of Canada, Marvin Anderson, and Identity Theft.
Really? He's 5-time champion. California kid.
California, out from San Quentin Prison, Travis Ybarra.
Travis
and the
Ybarra.
California kid.
Woo! Who's this guy? Who's this guy right there? Oh, who's that one?
The man's
Who's that
name
one?
is Eric Hutton. The truck stage is NAPA Auto Care.
NAPA.
But we call him Eric the Viking.
Woo! And there should be one more named Rockstar, right? Right there. There's one right there, right? Really? And then Rockstar.
The wild man from Washington. The former champion of the world, Payne, and Rockstar!
Well, guys, that's it for this video. I'll make another one. Oh yeah, I think we got that one already, did we?
Yeah. It originated.
Thanks for watching, and I'll make another video when they start doing the monster trucks.